Here are 3 herbal teas that have been proven to contribute to clearer skin. Number 1. Cerasee Tea. Popularly known as the blood cleanser, cerasee or bitter melon tea helps in rashes, acne, sores, and skin ulcers. Drinking bitter melon tea improves blood circulation and nourishes the skin too. Poor nutrition is reflected on one's skin, in the form of acne, oily, or dull skin. A Jamaican dermatologist highly recommends cerasee tea for acne and other detoxicants to cure bad skin. Jamaicans combine this with other herbs to take what they call a bush bath, which, according to them, removes many skin diseases. There are also proven cerasee tea benefits for eczema. Besides this, it's also helpful in rashes and other fungal infections. Number 2. Turmeric Tea. Turmeric is a spice scientifically known as Curcuma longa. It has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial and antioxidant properties that help to manage several skin issues like signs of aging, pigmentation, acne, atopic dermatitis, and psoriasis. Turmeric has a bioactive component called curcumin which makes it anti-inflammatory. The key health benefits of turmeric come from curcumin. Studies suggest that turmeric dosage per day is approximately 500 to 2000 milligrams. Our typical Indian diet provides us almost 2000 to 2500 milligrams turmeric per day, which is nearly 60 to 100 milligrams of curcumin. Number 3. Chamomile Tea. Chamomile tea is a herbal tea or tisane made using flower petals from the chamomile plant. Consumption of chamomile tea is steeped in a history that dates back to ancient societies, which used both fresh and dried flowers for a variety of reasons. Drinking chamomile tea can have extensive health benefits for your mind and body, but it can also be used topically to treat skin conditions and promote wound healing. Often used in baths to treat itchy, scaly skin, chamomile tea can also be applied directly to the skin for healthy skin benefits. Chamomile tea has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can relieve skin irritations such as eczema and rosacea. The natural polyphenols and phytochemicals in chamomile tea can speed up the healing process of scars and minimize wrinkles and breakouts. The polyphenols work mainly to eliminate free radicals that cause premature aging. If you're on medication, ask your doctor for information on tea dosages. Right for you?